So, this is a exploration of an account I created in 2007. I just recently found the login information and I contacted Blizzard to see if it was available to get this account back. Apparently, it is, and I have a rogue on one of the servers, but I don't know which one. That one that's listed as Thunderlord is one I made yesterday, because when I scrolled through, I couldn't find any characters. I'll use this. So I thought maybe he was mistaken. So I sent in a ticket, and he said, there is a bug when you take an account that's old and add it to a current account, because I still do have a newer Blizzard account, I think from 2012, which I play WoW on occasionally still. He said I have to go into each realm, and if I have a character on there from back then, it'll show up. I have a level 8 rogue apparently, which is what I did when I did my trial account when I was still playing. I had stopped playing Ultima Online. I was looking for a new game in 2007. I quit it for a while, and WoW was awesome. I thought, man, this game's really good, but after Asheron's Call and EverQuest, games that kind of fizzled out pretty quickly, I thought the same thing would happen to WoW. So I played the trial, and I thought it was a great game, but I just thought that it was probably going to go away. I didn't think it would last, but look at me now. I came back a few years later, 5 years after that, it started again. I've been playing off and on ever since. Probably the best MMO, in my opinion, that's ever been made, despite its flaws. It's still better than what's out there right now. Although I have tried Final Fantasy 14, and so far I'm enjoying myself. But I play that again off and on too. I have a full-time job, so I don't always get to do what I want. But at any rate, let's see if we can find my old character. Thunderlord is not it, as I mentioned. Let's try this one. Logging into game server. Nope, that ain't it. Back. Change realm. Try this one. Nope. That was Asgalor. Shara. That seems too new. Nope. Oh man, how long is this gonna take? 20-minute video to find one guy. Blood Furnace. Wait. Yeah. Did I make I wonder if it was on a PvP server. I'm not gonna start jumping around. Because the main reason I wanted to try a new game because I enjoyed the open world, full loop PvP system of WoW. Or not WoW, of UO. So, nope, we're on, still creating. No bone shower. And of course, that's not something you can do. Dagger Spine. In WoW, probably for the best. That's more of a hardcore, music is allowed. Let me do that. Destromath. Because as I've gotten older, the full loot open world PvP system is no longer interesting to me. Partially because I've gotten older and my reflexes are not good, so I'm not good at games anymore. Or not as good as I used to be. I'm at best mediocre, but I still enjoy myself. I'm gonna have to edit the hell out of this. Car. Manaroth. It's a rogue, and it's probably either a gnome or a goblin. I'm going through the new... Okay. Rethink. It's probably not going to be for new players. I wish I'd been paying attention, but that's okay. Alexstrasza. Nope. It's going to have to be one of the base races from the olden days. Altar of Storms. Argent Dawn. Wouldn't be funny if it was on a non-US realm. Because I did used to play Ultima Online on European servers because I was working overnights, and they were more populated when I would want to play the game. In addition to the US servers, because I didn't work overnight forever. Oh man, this could take a while. Bale gun. That was Black Hand. Blackwing Lair. How many realms are there? Blade Fist. I might have to find out. This is ridiculous. Bloodhoof. Bronzebeard. Alliance. See if it gives me a Horde one. Coil Fang. Yeah, it's alternating between Horde and Alliance when I'm going into each one of these. Interesting. Back. Once I get out of the D's, I think that I'll start on some of the more heavily populated servers. Dark Spear. And work my way back. Because since I made that character so long ago, I imagine the realm I built it on is probably full by now. But yeah, I guess you really don't know. Could have been a crap server. Deathwing. Demon Soul. Nope. Deathicus. Death Rock. I like the name of that server. Nope. Doomhammer. Doomhammer is not my home. Draenor. I'm guessing no on Draenor. Yeah. Ooh, a Baldy. That looked pretty cool, though. Dragonblight. Nope. At least they're mixing up the classes. And races and everything else. Earth and Ring. Oh wait, oh well. Earth and Ring. Started with the E's. Medium population server. Drendon is the one I play now. Let's go to high population of. Dude! I'll start with the full ones, I guess. Yes, I want to select that server. I'm looking for my dude. It could be full because I'm on there. Interesting. So can you actually make a character on a full server? I'm not going to try, but... And Vilmar. Nope. Man, I hope he's right. The game master who said to check the servers, because if I go through all this and it's still not there. Dalaran. Oh. Ooh. Settle down. That was Eridar, Fizzcrank. No on Fizzcrank, Gorefiend. No on Gorefiend. Morganash. Scream. Illidan. Man, if it's like the very next E in the medium population servers or low population servers, and I stopped right before I got to it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Keep going, I guess that's what I'll be doing. Melganis. Getting punched by someone with 3 fingers seems kind of weird. Sargeras. Oh man. Thought this would be easy and quick. Spinebreaker, nope. Storm Rage. Forgotten Coast sounds cool. My delivery just show up? Oh. No, it didn't. Right, Forgotten Coast. He didn't come through for me. Thrall. You say the name Thrall and you get a little plushy animal on your screen. All the models are the same though. Like that's the same hunter model for whatever that was. Dwarf. Colors and everything were the same. War Song. Running out of full servers. No on War Song, Wild Hammer. No on Wild Hammer, Zinger Marsh. Zul'jin. Nope. Alright, so I'm went through the full servers. So I'm going to go all the way back. Go Isles. Maybe I'll just get into a rhythm. Eitrig. On Eitrig. Executus. Executus. RP server? RP seems unlikely to me. So long ago, who knows? Feather Moon. Oh, there was this. It took longer than I was hoping. Fenris. I like the name of that server. But you failed the Fenris. Galacrond. Greymane. Come on, Greymane. Nope. I guess it is kind of random. Because that was a different skin tone. And that Dwarf Hunter. Halmarush. Nope. Nothing on Halmarush. Caligos. Nope. Kilrog. Nope. Glad I didn't stream this. Boy, this would be boring. Tyrantor. Cortiaras. No. Nothing. Man, this is taking forever. Forever. Lightning Hoof. Swing and a miss. Elaine. That looks pretty cool. Maelstrom. Theridin. Misha. Is that the name of that Orc's dragon? Or am I misremembering? Nazgrel. Missing Wary. Alright. Ravencrest and Ravenhold. I'm holding out that it might be on one of these. Ravenhold, maybe. Because I used to play Dungeons and Dragons, and Ravenloft was one of my favorite areas. And if I was choosing my own realm, I might have been drawn to a name like that. No. No, that's a no. But I'm just rationalizing. I'm sure it's not true. Nope. Not true, and that was RP anyway. Rexar. Yeah, nothing here. Rune Totem. Scarlet Crusade. No. Sentinels. Negative. Shadow Moon. I don't know why that struck a note with me, but it was wrong. Chandris. Shattered hulls. Ooh. Back-to-back paladins, I think, wasn't it? Or did we have a random guy in the middle? Shattered hand. Shualo, probably not, but I'm not going to skip any. Silver hand. Oops, silver hand. Back. Wait, he said Terrakar. I thought he meant the Terrakar zone. I wonder if this is what he meant. I didn't know there was a realm called that. I'm skipping ahead even though I said I wasn't going to. There's my dude! Yes! Female rogue. And I'm still in Undercity. Oh, he said level 8, but that was what it was before the squish. Okay. Holy crap. There we go. I've not upgraded this account at all, but I think it automatically gets a boost to BFA. Because I bought some game time. Oh, crap. Hey, dude. I'm just auto-attacking him. Wow, I need to... Okay, first of all, let's get out. What the hell am I doing way over here? Okay, let's do this. Interface. Auto loot. We want that. Combat. Action bars. Right bar. Oops. There's that. Okay, now we'll return to game. What are my... I can't. Sinister Strike. For right now, I guess I gotta do this. Sprint's always right there anyway. What is... Auto attack, cannibalize. That's how I heal. Alright. Oh! Achievements. Oh, dude. How about for just this character? How do I do that? Is there a way to do that? Character. Social. No. I haven't done anything. Oh, I completed 84 quests. Abandoned 5 of them. That can't be right. I've only killed one thing, and that was it. Because when I made this character, I just wanted to run around and see what the game was about. Okay, let's get this guy. So this is my normal bar, I guess. No, that goes there. I know I'm changing things around a little bit. Stealth is where it needs to be. Cheap shot is on my Heidi bar. Yeah. Okay. Since it's joined to my collections, I should be able to use heirlooms. Yeah. What's a good heirloom? Oh, dude. Okay, well, I obviously need agility, stamina. I don't think it really makes any difference. Agility, stamina, haste, versatility. Let's get one of these. Let's get one of these. One of those. Get some pants. Get a pair of these. And then we'll see what we're doing. Yeah, that can go there. There's that. We need some jewelry. What's this? Trinket. I think that's probably good. Oops. Oh, there we go. Give that my sort of heal. Okay. So here's my character. Isn't there a way to find out how many hours you played? Let me look it up. Okay, yeah, just played. 6 hours, 39 minutes, 22 seconds, and I got to level 4 because I was just looking around. That's kind of funny. Well, there it is. Interesting. Maybe I'll have to play this character at some point. But for some reason, I thought I'd gotten further than this. But oh well. Still fun to do. It was, yeah, 14-year-old character right there.